Gotta stay healthy. Get ready for my season. The OUXC. This is this kind of stuff that needs to be done. You got to put in the small work to be able to achieve the big things. So that's some advice for this week.
Thanks, Gregson.
What's up, guys? Cam here. As you saw, Gregson is behind me. Gregson, wave.
What's up?
He's down there. He is doing some clamshells, doing some rehab, some PT, strength conditioning, to get back so he can have his full strength back. He's coming off a little bit of an injury, but you feeling strong, Gregson?
Yeah, feeling pretty strong.
He's feeling strong. So we're coming to you today because tomorrow, early in the morning, we are headed off to Iowa for the USA Track and Field Championships. As you guys know, it's been going on for the past since Thursday. So yeah, it is Saturday night. It is 10:17 p.m. You guys will be watching this Sunday, tomorrow, actually less than 11 hours from now, 9 a.m. So you guys are really seeing this unfold almost as it's happening. So yeah, we gotta get packed up. We got a lot to do, and we got to get ready for tomorrow. We are coming in on the last day. We got tomorrow, Sunday. We're gonna be there for the 5K. We'll see the 800 and some other great events. I'm gonna be vlogging like as much as I can while we're there, and you guys are gonna be able to see the final result, and it's gonna be pretty sweet.
Do you think it's too late to enter in this meet unattached? I forgot to register on Speedy Feet, but I will for sure be in it next year. I'll remember to go on Speedy Feet.
Nice. We'll see you there next year. What event are you going to run?
Hopefully the 100-meter dash.
What's your PR?
PR? Probably about 13 seconds, 13, 14 seconds.
Heck yeah.
Let's see. For the 100-meter dash, I'm a distance runner, not as much of a sprinter, but...
This pack has all my GoPro stuff, has my GoPro, and then this right here is a multi-purpose North Face bag I got from Goodwill for $10. This bag, it was like brand new. It's still in great condition. It'd be like $150 or something like that, brand new. But I went to Goodwill. It was like still great condition. Got it for like $10. So I put my Nikon, my GoPro, battery stuff in there when I'm traveling. Then I got this camera, which has its own bag, this is the Canon. And then I will be bringing my drone, my running shoes, Nike Zoom Fly 3. I've been having some tendon problems in my foot, so I might not even run while I'm there, but you always got to bring the running shoes wherever you go, no matter the trip, no matter the journey.
Boom.
There you have it, guys. We're all pretty much packed up and ready to go. Just got a few more things to get packed up there, but stay tuned for our vlog next Sunday. Be sure to subscribe for that. We're going to be trying to document and vlog our whole journey to Iowa, so that'll be fun. Make sure to follow us on our other social media channels. We will probably be live tweeting the events, may even live stream on YouTube or Instagram. So not 100% sure what's going to be going on, but just be on the lookout, turn on post notifications, and that's how you're going to stay up to date. So yeah, that's all we have for you. Just a quick little vlog there. And yeah, stay tuned, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.